Let us learn on what factors this particular friction will depend, and what causes this friction, and how to understand this friction. That you have to understand, Nana, and to understand. So let us learn about one more thing also. Friction will arise due to the unevenness, and apart from that unevenness, that friction will develop due to cohesive and adhesive forces also, Nana. Friction will develop because of cohesive and adhesive forces also. Here cohesive is there and here adhesive is there. Have you observed, Nana, cohesive and adhesive? Can anybody say what is a cohesive force? Cohesive force is nothing but the force which will act in between same type of molecule, Nana. Same type of molecule. Suppose if you take water in a tumbler or in a glass, in between water, water molecule and another water molecule, what force will be there, Nana? Some kind of a force will be there, and that force will be called which force, Nana? Cohesive force. And do you know what is the adhesive force? The force which will act in between same type of a molecule. Suppose one water molecule is there, another water molecule is there, in between them which kind of a force will act, Nana? Cohesive force will act. And what do you mean by adhesive force, Nana? Adhesive force is nothing but the force which will act in between two different types of a substance. Now suppose if you take water in this tumbler, now between water molecules what will be there, Nana? Cohesive force will be there, and between water molecule and this glass tumbler will be there, no? So
Yes,
in
yes.
between this water molecules and tumbler, what force will be there, Nana? Adhesive force will be there. That is only shown in this particular diagram, Nana. You can observe it. So this is about adhesive forces. Here some glass tumbler is there and this particular other material is there. In between them, some kind of a force will be there, and that force will be called adhesive force. Whereas here only same type of a materials will be there, and that's why this force will be called what, Nana? Cohesive force. And because of cohesive and adhesive forces also, what will arise, Nana? Frictional force will arise. So frictional force generally arises due to two reasons. One is unevenness of the surface, and other one is what, Nana? Cohesive and adhesive forces between molecules which are at close proximity. Close proximity means which are very close to each other. So because of that also what happens, Nana? Frictional force will develop.